Hello. Today we're going to move everything from one side of the shop to the other. So if that sounds interesting, you should stick around.
About 6 months ago, we had a big hurricane come through that blew down the roof in some of the shop. And we're going to need to fix that. Now, while that's under construction, we need a place to work that won't be also under construction. So we're going to move our toolbox into the open bay that used to have Josh's bike and his bike lift in it. So get ready for a lot of time lapse of cleaning and some wall tearing down. Before we get to any of that, we do have some Cletus the cat ASMR.
Caught it. Oh. Oh! I think this thing works. Try it.
All right, we have it here in our new area where we want it. I was originally going to put the chemical cabinet we have there above it. I don't think I want to do that. I think I'm going to leave that area empty and just put a light there. I think I'm going to put the chemical cabinet here, and then I have another smaller cabinet. So I'm going to put the chemical cabinet lower than the smaller cabinet above, and then the wiring box on the side just like it was before. But we got to go over here and take all the stuff out of the chemical cabinet so we can actually hang it. So here we go on that. Removing stuff from the chemical cabinet.
Bye.
Here we are. She's installed. It's actually a much nicer height. Can, reach all this stuff. There's not going to be a bunch of debris down in there. So I'm not sure what we're going to put down here yet, but we'll figure it out. A nice little storage up here for some of our RTV, and I'm not sure where everything's going to go yet, but it's nice. Got my light wired in nicely, and I had to bend the hinges a little bit. They were a little fucked up. But now it closes. And it stays closed. Pretty nice. There's one more thing we're gonna go look at. This we're gonna move as well. Because not only does it have lots of nice little cubbies for little things, like we could put our little fluids in there. It's got a nice magnetic door on it. And a nice old stamp sticker on it, which is pretty cool. But it's also a key box. So we can put keys to whatever it is we're working on and hang them up here. So that'll be nice. Keep all of our keys out in one spot. So we get the drill. Those are just the Torx bits. So All right, next we're gonna move this light so it's directly over the toolbox. I may actually move the other light first. The one that was the old one over the toolbox. I don't know yet. We'll look and see how hard that one's gonna be to get down. And then we'll be back. All right, there we are. There's most of our setup. See, it's all nicely hung. Everything's happy. Got one more thing we're gonna do today before we call it a day. We're gonna go to this window right here. Ta-da! And we're gonna knock some bars out. And then we have a nice box fan, which is right here, that we're gonna hang in that window. So we get some good airflow through the shop. So we're gonna do that. All right, here we are. We're set up. This fan is doing pretty well. We get a nice cool breeze through the whole thing. It's kind of loud, but it's all right. It's gonna be fine for now. So I think we're done for today. I don't know what else we're really gonna get done. I think that's about it. As you can see, we're done. So anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.